and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. So for today's video, I want to share a quick little skincare tip here that will transform your skin. This is the #1 ingredient that should be used not just on our face, but on our body. And honestly, this ingredient has changed the skin all over my body so fast and so much that I cannot wait to share with you exactly what that is. But before I do and share my little secret with you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our little family here. You'll get all the latest anti-aging tips and tricks and skincare information and beauty and product reviews and everything to keep your skin looking its absolute best right here on my channel. So subscribe and hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any single video that I post. And let's dive into it. This is the ingredient, you guys, that we literally need to be bathing in. We need to be putting this all over our body. Okay, so now with this ingredient, I have personally been using it on my body and have seen insane changes, like quickly and like transformative changes. Like it is awesome. So what I'm talking about, and it's an ingredient we all know, a lot of us use it on our face, but it's glycolic acid. And glycolic acid has so many amazing benefits for the skin, not just for our face, but truly, again, so beneficial for the skin all over our bodies. And I have used glycolic lotions in the past, glycolic body lotions and, body products before that honestly, I did not see as much change at all as compared to what I'm using right now. And I'll share those products with you guys in a second. It's super, super easy. And I'm telling you guys, it's like insane drastic changes. So before I get into exactly just the easy process and what I do daily to get glycolic acid in the right form all over my skin, all over my body, let's talk a little bit about what glycolic acid does for the skin, because it's honestly such an amazing ingredient. Like I said, we should not just be using it on our face, we should be using it all over our bodies because it will really, really benefit your skin, transform your skin. It's anti-aging, and let's just talk about it. So glycolic acid is a alpha hydroxy acid, an AHA, and it's actually a very small molecule that can really penetrate the skin. And it's a very powerful yet more gentle exfoliator. It is amazing for shedding off the top layer of your skin. It's gonna help to, remove all the little dead skin cells that are sitting on the surface of your skin and just really reveal, that new fresh skin. It's gonna also increase the cell turnover of your skin. So anytime you're, ramping up that cell turnover, you're actually producing collagen in your skin. You're gonna get plumper, just healthy, glowing skin. So not only is glycolic acid anti-aging and really helps to, again, stimulate collagen in your skin, plump skin, healthy skin, but because it is taking away all that dead skin, the surface of your skin just becomes so smooth, so radiant. It's like brand new, like baby soft skin. And a lot of people don't realize, but as glycolic acid is penetrating the surface layers of your skin and again helping to promote collagen and all of that, it's actually promoting moisture retention, deep within your skin too. So you're actually hydrating your skin from deep within. So it has many levels of anti-aging properties. It's gonna help with lines and wrinkles. It's gonna help with skin brightening and skin lightening. It actually is super, super effective for like sunspots, hyperpigmentation, any sun damage. It will really, really help to fade that because you again are just overturning those skin cells so quickly. And all that top layer of your skin where, it's holding onto that pigment is being shed off. Glycolic acid is also really effective at treating acne because it's really declogging pores. Now, if you have more sensitive skin, it's not, again, something that you want to use on your skin every single day because it can be too much for your skin, but it is still very, very effective on treating acne. You can treat acne all over your body with it. And I find, me personally, I can't use glycolic acid like twice a day, not even once a day on my face. I have more like sensitive rosacea prone skin, so you want to be more careful about how often you use it, at least me, like on my face. But on my body, which I will go into further in a minute, I find that I can use it twice a day and it has become so insanely effective. So if you do have like acne, prone skin on your body, it is so unbelievably amazing at treating the acne. If you have it like on your back, your chest, wherever you have acne, it's gonna really declog pores. And then again, just to help clear up the skin and clear up your acne. Also, another thing that it is amazing for on your body is KP. And KP is the keratosis polaris, which gives you those little like chicken skin bumps, they're called. And a lot of people, including myself, get them on the back of my arm. I also get little bumps sometimes on my, like the inside of my thighs. This completely just smooths those little bumps and takes them away, and you will be shocked like how quickly using the right type of glycolic acid on your KP just smooths that skin. So like I was saying, glycolic acid for your face is amazing. I personally use it a couple times a week and it just refreshes your skin. Again, I cannot use glycolic acid all that often on my skin, like on my face. Personally, I have more sensitive skin. So just be very wary if you're using it on your skin. You don't want to go overboard. You don't want to over exfoliate with it because it is a very powerful ingredient that you can go overboard with very quickly, and then you're going to be left with a damaged skin barrier, and you don't want that. So it is exfoliating to your skin. So be, mindful of how often you use it on your face. But let me talk about what I do for the skin on my body, because I have found that glycolic acid for my body works so insanely amazing to give me like the best skin all over, which is awesome. I'm 41 years old. I have definitely noticed changes on my skin. I've seen sun damage popping up on my skin. My skin is not as like plump and hydrated as it once was. You know how you kind of start seeing the crepey skin or like the little alligator type of dry skin? This completely changed that. It's remarkable, you guys, what the quickness of the results that I have seen when I started using these products. And it's so easy, you guys. What I do is I use my Sanita's Glyco Solution Toner. This is the best toner. I love it for my face. It is a pump like this, so it comes out in a liquid. Amazing, just super easy to use. I put this, and I actually talked about this in my anti-aging hand video, because I will take this on the back of my hands, and it is like amazing what it does to the back of your hands. Well, I started taking this toner, and by the way, it comes in 3 different strengths. There's a 5%, 10%, and a 15%. I use the 10% and the 15% all over my body. And it's so easy, you guys. I take this twice a day when I'm doing my skincare routine, morning and night. I take a couple pumps, and I just take it on the back of my hands, and I take it all over the back of my arms, all over my arms. I will take this on my chest and everything too. And I cannot even describe what this has done for my skin. Like, it is insane, guys, and you will see results so quickly. But I'm 41. I have sun damage that has, pops up all over my arms, on my chest. It just is what it is. And this, I've noticed, completely has taken it down so much in literally like maybe the 3 weeks to a month that I've been really putting this to the test and putting these products like 2 times a day to the test. And it is remarkable. Not only has it really reduced like the sun damage on my arms and my chest and my skin, but it actually is hydrated and more plump. Like, I don't see any at all like visible little dry, when, like I said, like alligator skin, it's the only thing I can think of. It gives you like that like dry, kind of like broken up skin look. This is like, gives you completely like smooth, just plump skin. It is insane, guys. I can't even get over it. Like, I am addicted. This is something I will constantly do forever now, twice a day. And it's so easy. I put this on my legs, anywhere where there's little bumps, if there's little sun damage spots. I put this down my arms, like I said. The Sanita's, the Glyco Solution Toners are so fast and so easy. And like I said, I have tried, other like body lotions with, AHAs in them and BHAs in them, and nothing has given me the skin and the results like all over my body as fast as this. Like, it is remarkable. So I love that. And then also, I just want to share these because I know a lot of you guys have these already. And if you don't, they're amazing as well. It's the Sanita's, the brightening peel pads. And this is what I use on my face a lot too. And I will switch between the 2 of these to exfoliate my skin with a glycolic maybe twice a week. So I always have these on hand as well because they're amazing for my face, but they're in a pad form. And again, if you have these already, you can take one of these pads and do the same thing. Go down your arms, go down your legs, get the back of your arms, hit any spots that might have those like little KP, little bumps, and go over any sun damage spots. You will see insane changes. Now, the pads are a little bit different because the Glyco Solution Toners are strictly glycolic. So like I said, there's 10% glycolic, 15% glycolic, and then there's also a gentle 5% glycolic in these. But the peel pads are a glycolic, a salicylic, and a lactic acid. So I think there's maybe like 8% glycolic in these, and then again with the salicylic with the lactic. So you're getting a mix of different acids, which is again super, super beneficial. So these are so, so awesome. They come in handy. They're already in pad form, and you literally just wipe them all over. And then the third one that I want to mention, because I have been obsessed with these, and you guys know I've been talking about these constantly. Again, by Sanitas, they make the best glycolic acid products, the Peptiderm neck and chest peel pads. So these are so effective, again, for exfoliating, but then these have their patented like peptide ingredients in them as well. So they're actually anti-aging at the same time. So that's why they make these for the neck and the chest. And again, they come in a little peel pad. So they're gonna really help to exfoliate, but at the same time, they're really putting in the peptides and the, you know, ingredients that they have for anti-aging along with the glycolic acid and the, you know, the exfoliating ingredients. So these make it super, super effective for the neck and the chest. And all you do with these is you take it up in a motion like this, up your neck, and then I put these all over my chest as well. And I like these for the neck and the chest area above just a glycolic, just personally, because it does have the extra peptides and the extra anti-aging ingredients in them with it, because these are very, very effective at like firming up and like crepey skin and all of that in those like delicate areas. So these are the 3 products that truly, truly make a difference. Use them all over your body and you will be shocked at the results. Now, you don't have to use all 3 of these. I'm just giving you guys like, you know, ones that I have tried, ones that I know are super effective, but if you already have the brightening peel pads, start using them all over your body. If you want to use the Sanitas, the toner, this is such a good, just strictly glycolic acid product. And like I talked about in some previous videos, not all glycolic acid products out there are just like the true amount that they say. So if you're buying a product from like Sephora and it says it's like a 10% glycolic, a lot of times it's formulated in a way where it's not a true 10%. The Sanitas glycolic acid products are just exactly what they say. So if this is 10%, this is a 10% glycolic. Like, these are super, super powerful. And I think that this is probably my favorite for putting it all over my body. And then what I do is then I'll use this all over my body, and then the neck and chest peel pads on my neck and chest. But those are 2 of my personal favorites because I just think these are so, so effective. And this is what I've been doing twice a day. And like I said, just literally just bathing in it. And I put it all over my arms, down my legs, chest, everywhere, and you will see huge, huge changes in your skin. It's so fast too. So it's not like something that's going to take a while to see results. Like, you will see results and changes in your skin like very quickly. So that is my little skincare tip of the day. Don't just use glycolic acid as a, you know, ingredient on your face. Use something potent, use something powerful, and really get it all over your body. And another reason I like it in the toner liquid form is it's going to penetrate better than a lotion or a moisturizer with, you know, an AHA in it. This is getting super deep into your skin, which is why I see like really great results super quick. So another reason I like this in toner form over like a body lotion with AHAs and stuff. But that is what I've been doing. And then I will just take my, you know, body lotion that I'm using and put that on top, whatever other body product. But this has been like my first step to the skin on my body, you guys. And it is like so freaking good. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, let me know in the comments if you have tried these, you know, on your body as well, because I have talked about them previously in a couple body videos of mine. But let me know if you have tried them and let me know what you think too, because I personally am obsessed. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out and watching. I will link these 3 products down below for you in the description box. So open it up where it says show more. I will have them linked for you there, as well as my coupon code, because you can get 20% off of Sanitas on my Skin Truth website too. So thank you guys. Again, I will stop rambling. These are amazing. These work. Use them all over your body and then thank me later. Okay, guys, I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.